Hello, welcome to this video. Today we'll be discussing BitBar live browser testing, which is a quick and easy way to test your web pages. You can run a live test to see if the app behaves the way you would expect it to during regular use. To start our live browser test, we'll need to choose a device. Here, we see many different devices to choose from. These devices separated by system version and location. Within these devices, we have our browsers to launch our test. After selecting my device, I can now paste my website down below where it says start with URL. We can also specify a different resolution if we wanted to, but let's just go ahead and start our test. Here, we can see BitBar launch our website in the browser we selected. On the right-hand side, we have a menu that allows for many different functionalities. We have the device details. We can change the device if we wish to do so. If we click Show Menu, we'll then be able to start recording some action. You can also take a screenshot, upload a file, paste text, and toggle DevTools. Let's start recording some actions within our website, then take a screenshot as well. I'll make a search for watches and capture the search result. That's my test. Let's go ahead and stop it. After the test is completed, BitBar provides you with the test results based on the session details and artifacts. Within the Sessions Details widget, you'll see Device and Actions. The Device tab displays the information related to the device on which the test is performed. The Actions tab displays the information of live test sessions that are performed on the device. The Artifacts widget displays screenshots, videos, and other artifacts such as device logs and performance. I hope this video was helpful. Happy testing!